Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another morning practice. Hope you're doing well. So let's work out, full body workout for today. So let's begin. Nice and move, take a deep breath first. Then I exhale. One more. Then I exhale. Okay, place your arms on your knees. We're gonna rotate our pelvis first, forward and backward. First arch, and then inhale deeply. Exhale, rotate forward and back. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8, and hold. Hold here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Drive your arms on the ground. Right leg backwards. We're gonna have lizard pose. Feel the stretch in your hip. Left, right. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna twist towards the left side. Now you need to feel more in the left foot. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Left leg, right leg in front. And hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards the right side. And hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, plank position, down dog. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your left leg elevated up, fully straight up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Falling forward, upper facing dog. You bend your left leg, opening towards the side, and look up. Hold. 5, 4, breathe. 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch legs. Back first to down dog. Right leg up, and hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fall forward, upper facing dog. You bend your right knee, open up towards the side, and stretch. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to down dog. Step forward, close a little bit. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground, slightly open. Point your toes. Take a deep breath. Right arm drives towards the side up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Nice. Up. What we're gonna do some kickstand squats first. Left leg in front, right leg backwards. Not too much. 12 on each side. Make sure you're not putting your legs too wide. Here we go. And left leg forward. 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. And then we'll switch. Right leg, take a deep breath. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. Release. Take a deep breath. Then we're gonna exhale. Okay, the next one, moving side to side. Drive our hip backwards. We're gonna open left, middle, right, middle. Here we go, 20, 10 on each side. And left, 1, 2, 3, 4, nice, just move. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 1, keep moving. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. The next one, we're going to work on our glutes and hamstrings. Open your legs wider. From here, Cossack squat, right? We're going to bend our hip as backward as possible. I will not sit all over down. I will sit like, let's say 90 degrees, maybe a little bit lower. Here we go. 20, 10, 10. Take a deep breath. Let's work. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then switch, right one. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Release. Take a deep breath. Moving forward. Sumo squat. From here, pay attention to what we're going to do. We're going to squat down, place our arms left in front, right backwards. Then we're going to rotate our legs. Knees reach the ground. From here, we're going to elevate our left leg, open up towards the side, hold a few seconds, drive it forward, hold a few seconds, then bend, drive it to the middle, switch to the left side, same thing. We're going to elevate, we're going to move it, drive it forward, we're going to bring it to the middle, and then we're going to come back to the middle. I'm going to up, stand up, nice and smooth. Here we go. We're going to do 5 on each side. Please, what I want to mention here, try to move smoother, slower. People have different mobility in their hips, so try to not injure yourself. Have good control. Work with your muscles more. Here we go. Inhale deeply. Exhale, drive down towards the right side first. Up, forward. Left one. Up, forward. Up, forward. Help yourself, move slower. Up, forward. 3 more to go. Two more to go. One more. And we're finishing last time, right and then left. Slowly move, elevate, forward, middle, and up. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Then we're gonna add some balance workout, and then we're gonna move forward. Right leg backwards, slightly. You bend your left knee, fall forward a little bit, keep your lower back straight. From here, point your right foot and try to elevate it as high as possible. 10 times on each side. Inhale deeply first, lock your core, lower back. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one, try to hold, feel the left leg very stable. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Awesome. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna switch side. Same happens over the right. Bend, slightly bend your knee, point your left foot. Here we go. 10, up, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice one. Awesome, my friends. Take a deep breath. Moving forward, upper back, upper body, a little bit. We have plank position here. First, we're gonna do with the left arm touching our toes, left, right. Then we're gonna do push down, elevate our right arm, push down, elevate our left arm, and then same. Touch, touch, push, up, push, up. What I want to mention here, when you'll do this, try to work very good with your shoulder and shoulder blades. If you cannot do like full plank position, you can place your knee on the ground, do the same thing. Make sure you're not placing your arms too wide and just be consistent. Take a deep breath. We're gonna do totally 5 of this. Plank position, here we go. First 2 touch. 1. Here we go. 2. 3. 4. 'Last one. 'Down dog and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, plank position. Rotate towards the left side. Your hip, legs on the ground. Right arm, you're gonna elevate our right foot. Hold it, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg on the ground, slowly switch side, same thing. Lock your core, lower back, raise your left foot from the ground and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to plank position again. Elevate your left arm from the side, keep holding on in plank position with one arm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Here we go. Plank position. Core. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive our right knee towards our left elbow and then flexing our right leg fully back. And then on the ground, left towards the right elbow and then flexing up and back. Here we go. 20. Inhale deeply. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog. Breathe. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll forward, upper facing dog. Hold. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Right leg, right arm in front, left leg fully straight. We're gonna elevate, lock your core low back. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch left up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Rotate your pelvis, leg square, knee square. Push from your shoulder blades up. Elevate your knees. From here, we're gonna open up our knees and close. Open and close. Here we go. 20. Inhale. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Push. 2. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's add some quick thoracic spine stretch. Place your elbows on the ground, arms behind your head. Take a deep breath. Your palms should be behind your head. We're gonna drive our right elbow as high as possible, rotating towards the right side. While you're doing this, you need to exhale and push up as high as possible. Inhale. Exhale up. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. And back. Awesome. Nice one. Quick one. I hope you find it useful for you. I try to move different way. So wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Peace out, my friends.